Welcome to a new consumer goods review. Today we have a new Pringles Flavour Rice Fusion Indian Chicken Tikka Masala. You know, I haven't eaten Pringles in a long time, but when I saw this in the store, I thought I had to buy it. Like, it's really unique. How can you combine chips with Tikka Masala? That's impossible. Let's see if they taste any good. Here we go. Popped it open. Like that. It actually smells like Tikka Masala. Really interesting. Let's see how the chips look like. We have the classic Pringles shape. They have some powder on top of the chips, but very unevenly spread. This is not a good sign, but let's hope I'm wrong. You know, I like Tikka Masala with rice. It's one of my favorite Indian foods. So how could it not taste bad if it's on a chips? Like, these Pringles are like so part of rice and part of corn anyway, so it should be good. But anyway, there's only one way to find out. Let's try them. Here we go. This is so weird. My brain is getting tricked. My brain is thinking I'm eating rice, but the texture is chips. Really unique flavor. Really unique. Like, it's exactly the same when you eat Tikka Masala with rice, but instead of rice is chips. You know, it's good. It is good flavor. I'm getting the chili here. It's building up. The spice is building up in my throat. And the chips are more crunchy this time. Last time they were not crunchy enough. Ooh, this one has a lot of spice, look. So they only put it on the side, but not on the other edges. It's made 24% with rice flour, and the rest is like potato, corn flour, some kind of rice substance, and chicken Tikka Masala powder flavoring. They have the Taj Mahal here in the front. Taj Mahal. You know, it's good chips and really unique flavor. But would I buy this over the other Pringles flavors like sour cream and cheese? No, I will not buy this over the classic flavors. This is like one-time thing only, I think. Like, you don't get to crave this product again after you first time eat it. It's just like one-time flavor. You buy it, and it's good. It's good, but it's not like you will buy it second time. Maybe if it's on discount you will buy it, but otherwise you would always buy the other flavors or some other brands. Like, nobody would go to buy this specific product in their store. It's not that good. It's just like one time good, you know what I mean? That's why it's getting like, you know, let's give it 8 out of 10. It's a solid good chips, but it's not a masterpiece. Bonus points for trying out the new flavors. Like, I don't think any other company would have tried it. Like, Tikka Masala with chips. The product development team like really think outside the box with this one. But yeah, thanks for watching, and leave a comment if you have eaten these tips before, and tell me if you like them or not. Really curious to know your opinion. My opinion is 8 out of 10. Thank you for watching.